Hi, I wanted to make this video to show you how you can use the memory game template that I shared. So I have this Halloween picture here because I played the game the day before Halloween. So you can just click on that and delete it, and then search the web, or maybe you have an image that you want to use, and insert that onto your slide. This is a little bit too thin, so I'm going to distort it a little bit and make it wider. And then I'm going to center it on my slide. There we go. All right. Once you have that image on there, come to slide number 2. Now, for me, I am using sight words. There are 12 text boxes on here, and you should fill them with whatever you want. You can make the font smaller so you can put more into that space. Do not make the text boxes longer or thinner. Just leave them that size. If you want more words, reduce the font so you can fit them in that space. So we're going to, once you have everything the way you want it to be, you're going to do select all, and you're going to copy it. Then you're going to come back to your slide number 1 and paste it. Now you're going to go to slide number 3 and do select all. Go back, oops, sorry. Click on the slide and then go select all. Copy it. Go back to slide 1 and paste it. Oh, I see that my octopus is too big. So I'm going to go back and trim that guy down so he's not peeking around the edge. All right, so now you're ready to play. You will not be presenting. If you want to make it bigger, you can go into View, Enter Full Screen. That makes it slightly larger. So you'll ask a kid to pick a color and a number. For example, blue 1. You click on it. You want to make sure when you click on it, you're clicking on the line. You don't want to click in the middle because you don't want that cursor. So click on a corner, click on a border, and then delete. Okay, is. Where's the other is? So he says green 3. Actually, I think it's green 2. So if he says green 2, you click on green 2, and it's a match. So you're going to go ahead and click on the edge of it, hit delete, click the edge of that, hit delete, and you're revealing the picture. Now let's say they do a match blue 2, and then they say blue 3. What I do then is Command or Control Z to get my covers back. And then we just keep playing. For kindergartners, and it's really good to keep it as simple as just a 12 square memory game. But I've also made slides 4 and 5, which are slightly larger with 15 squares. Now, each of these is a text box, and you can go in and add whatever you want. You could also use images. If you use images, you're going to want to put them in at the exact same dimensions as this text box. If you want to use an image, you'll want to either search for an image, or you have an image, and insert it in. And you're going to want to crop it so that it occupies the exact amount of space as the text box did. So you're going to bring it up nearby. And if it doesn't, you're going to need to somehow or another distort it so it actually does. So once you have your image ready, you're going to get rid of that text box, delete it, and replace it with this image. And then you might put that image right over here if you're doing an image matching game. All right, I hope that's helpful and that it brings you some fun times in your Zoom. Another thing I wanted to mention is my confetti extension. I learned about this from Tracy. So when we play this, if someone gets a match, I do this, which the kids really enjoy. It's a little bit hypnotic. Now use it with care. It can get piled up, and then you're stuck there waiting for a while. Well, you could close this tab and then it would go away. So the extension for that is the confetti cannon, and the kids really get a kick out of it, and it makes everything a little bit more fun if you can celebrate with confetti. All right, I hope that's helpful to you guys. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Okay, bye.